Hey, it's pouring. Oo, maulan. Just like my Defy Gravity Weekend t-shirt. I got that in New York, Broadway, when I was watching live Wicked. Yes, it's so special. I'll never forget that memory. When I first time landed in New York, I was like, concrete jungle, di ba? Talaga. I felt like, oh my God, there's a world that exists like this in reality. Kasi bata pa lang ako, I was watching a lot of Disney films and, Hollywood movies. And I just saw that in movies. So when I first saw New York, it was breathtaking. It was a different experience, totally different. Though I love nature, but to see such a dynamic and all those skyscrapers, oh my God, mag-iiba ang perspective mo, ang horizon mo, oh guys. So if you have time to travel and explore, do it because life is all about experiences. Okay, have a rainy Monday.